Hey y'all, come on in. It's Tracy. Come on in. Love, love, love. I know y'all waiting to see me. I know y'all want to see how I'm going to walk. I know it. So, I wash my rice real good. And I've got my butter in here with a little oil. And it takes about a stick of butter. Okay, and now I'm finna toast it. Okay, we finna toast this rice. Hey! Didn't Calvin Mama, Auntie Mama good. So let's put up some regular old white rice in here. Just start off regular, okay? Just regular white rice. We're gonna toast. You could just parsley flakes. Y'all ready to see me? Because y'all always say keep it on the food. So I'm keeping I'm keeping on the food. How y'all doing? Ain't no. Hey, go get my glasses. They don't want to see me. Who want to see my face? Y'all tell me that first. I might have to be in a secret. I'm going to show myself. I'm going to walk in everything for y'all. So we're going to keep it simple. Who no, it's X-rated. You do not want to know what our mama went through. Y'all going to say, Pastor Eddie, throw me overboard. And I'm going to be like, leave him alone. I asked for it. Ha! Nobody want to know. First things first, let's toast this rice. I'm doing good, aren't I? Giving y'all what y'all want. You gotta toast your rice. It's gonna give it an amazing texture, and it's also gonna help it from being stuff you see in there from that vegetable. With it while you're toasting it. You don't want to burn it. This is brought to you by beefbroth.com. The next thing, I'm going to add some beef broth in here. We want this hearty and rich. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to get a little water. I'm going to let all the ones that want to see the cook. I feel good all over. Woo-wee. Okay. I'm going to behave. I'm letting these people that want to see the food see it first. Y'all know how they get mad. Then my regulars can hang on in here. Hold on. You add you some of these. These are Muller's old fashioned. Add a little noodles in there. You don't have to, but I want to. For this dish, okay? Add a little egg noodles with this rice. That's right, that's what I said. I'm adding a little egg noodles with that dough rice. And then leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Come on now, to the boodles. I'm just doing this for the people that come for the food. You know, some people don't like me. They just like how I cook. So let me get them out the way so they can go on about their business. Tabitha saying have the most amazing day. So now, get that ground beef. I'm going to tell you something about ground beef. If you really want to pull the flavor of ground beef up, when you first start it, don't season it. Let the flavor come up out of the ground beef first. Then you season it, okay? So in other words, you don't have to put a lot of stuff in it. You know how them old-fashioned hamburgers used to taste? Straight off the grill. Have you ever noticed in those restaurants sometimes, especially like the diners? Now here's the remaining things that I'm going to use. I'm going to use cream of celery. I'm going to use some mushrooms, golden mushroom soup, and cream of mushroom soup, okay? Those are the extra ingredients that I'm going to use. And the great folding up, the lawn chair experience, and how does it play a part in my life as a Christian? Why do I need it? Ooh, Peter, don't be afraid. That's what Jesus said. Oh, Peter, live. I'm coming right back live and talk to my people on Tracy K. Mitchell. Girl, I'm not going to go in detail and tell you my business. We like to have fun over here. We like to laugh and we like to love on each other and pray for one another. We like to do things like that. Laughter is good for the soul. The bedroom is undefiled. So please go ahead. I understand what you're saying, but you don't even know what we do over here on Tracy K. Mitchell. At that rice. Yes, Diggy. Yeah. You know, some people you really can't have fun with. You just can't. And it's all right. I sure can, Tracy. I will be just on Tracy K when y'all see me. Tracy, do what you do. I will catch the replay. Today, my birthday, and my husband taking me shot. Happy birthday, Miss. That needs a little more water. As it dry out, I'll add some more. Add a little more water. Hold on, let me set y'all down. Yes, 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 and yes, yes, yes. Yes, the yes, the yes, the yes, yes. Gotta have a little more liquid in there before it dries out. Still a little crunchy. Just a little crunchy. I appreciate it. Y'all really have been backing up on all our content creators with your supporter badges and with your stars. I don't understand why, because I can't spend your wallet. But content is worthy of. Y'all already know when I add mushrooms, I use Dale seasoning. Let's see if I got any. Could be out. I could be. Dale seasoning. Dale seasoning is my way to go. Dale seasoning is the way to go. Add a little drop of. Thank God I'm born again. born again. Thank God I'm born again. Born of the water, spirit in the blood. Thank God I'm born again. Born of the water, spirit in the blood. Thank God I'm born again. Goodbye world. Okay, now let's get back over here to the rice. We stay no longer with you. That's how you know you had a good night, when you start making up this.
That's her.
Goodbye pleasure. What, Avery?
She says she got a yard can't catch that.
So open that trash can up.
Oh man, there's a big fluff for that.
Yeah.
It's a big fluff. What is it? Huh?
We stay no longer with you. Okay. It's soup called golden mushroom. Mm-hmm.
I hate mushrooms.
Avery, it's alright. You might hate them, but you eat them all the time. You just don't
I'm
know.
not eating mushrooms.
Avery, leave the trash can open, please, for me. And this is cream of mushroom. Try not to hit the phone, but it's this handle. Alright. Now I gotta drain this here meat. Get this turned down. Turn it off for a second. Just to cool it down. Y'all will see me on the next video. Okay? Alright, I'm gonna drain this ground beef. Alright. That tastes so good. So you get it mixed up real good. And taste it. All right, YouTube. This is for you too. Okay, let's get us some cheese. Thank y'all for being patient. And this cook. And when I add this, I'm going to add a little bit more, just a little bit more liquid. So as it simmers with the cheese, make sure y'all sprinkle me, baby, sprinkle me. Let's add, this is mozzarella. I'm going to add that mozzarella in now. Y'all already knew it was coming. Add a little liquid. We're going to add some Velveeta. Please Belita, because it's Velveeta. You know, you get that good pull. It's going to be pretty when I do my reel. All right. Real. Jesus is real to me. Oh, yeah. He gives me the victory. Remember, you're just adding this liquid because it's gonna open up what you got in here. This is just some vegetable broth. While you steam the rest of this down, put it on low and leave it alone. That's it, and that's all, y'all. I thank you all for watching Mama's Comfort Cooking, Tracy K. Mitchell today, and the family of Tracy K. Mama Comfort Cooking and Family. If you're not following the Mama's Comfort Cooking and Family page, please do so. Let me get it up and moving, because that's going to be the page that we bring the reunion stuff to you. Okay? Put it on low and leave it. Now, if you're a cheese lover, you can add one more close up. A few minutes. Okay? I love y'all. Yes, I do. And I'm going to see y'all later.